Good morning. We're at Mica Grange and we're going to discover these lovely gardens here today. The actual gardens cover 40 hectares and it is host to a myriad of open garden and sculpture exhibition. And it is recognised as one of Victoria's most picturesque properties. So we're here to have a little wander and check out these lovely gardens. So join us. And Ruby too, and I'm here with Peter. Encaptured by the stunning views, undulating landscapes and granite outcrops, Mary and Bede Gibson established an oasis of peace and tranquility using art and fashion design background. Many designed extensive gardens and walkways to envelope the home, and the property is now up for sale.
We've enjoyed a lovely little morning at Mica Grange, near Sutton Grange of course. Beautiful gardens. The highlights, wow, spring in Victoria. The proteas are in full flower. Never seen a king protea as large as what I saw in this garden here. The roses, they've got the David Austins, they've got all sorts of roses. Lovely combination of plants and how they put them together. Plants were for sale. The sculpture garden is also here, but my joy were generally in the very spring blooming plants. We enjoyed a lovely Devonshire tea, and that's always a nice way of capping off an event. So I will leave you at this juncture, and we'll see you on our next adventure. Bye.